Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I've got a great song for you. From 1969, a song by Creedence Clearwater Revival. This is called Proud Mary. I'm sure you know this one. If this is what you're up for, go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, Proud Mary, let's get straight to it. So we're going to be using a straightforward down, up, down, up, down, up strumming pattern. Like so. I'll slow that down for you for the beginners. So we'll just do this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Right, chords in question are C to the A, then C major to the A again, C, A, G, F, and we're going to go off, on, and then to the D. Okay, so there's a cheeky little F chord that what we do, we go down, up, down, and then when we come back for the upstroke again, we're going to go off, on, so off on the upstroke, back on the downstroke. So before we go to the finishing in the D on a downstroke. So it's going to end with a down, down. So down, up, down, off, on, D. Now when we're doing playing the chord, the F chord, lifting, when we lift it off of the F chord to play the strings open, we're going to be playing we're going to still be holding down the first two strings in the first fret, so strings, the E and the B string on the first fret, but we're going to be up strumming on the second, third and fourth string. That's to make it easier to plant back down on an F again. So we got, yeah, so down, up, down, down, up, down, off, on, D, down, up, down, off, on, D. Yeah, so we're in an F chord, down, up, down, off, on, D. Okay, so let's take you through that again. So we got our up down strum pattern going. So we'll go really slowly. So we C A C A C A G F F off on D. Okay, C A C A C A G F. Down, up, down, off, on, D. Down, up, down, off, on, D. With our F chord, yeah? Let's go through that again. One more time. There we go. So we got C, A, C, A, C, A, G, F, off, on, D. Okay, so that's the intro. Goody, goody, good. Right, so the verse is very, very simple. We've just got D, but what's going on here, there's sort of like what you would relate to a blues shuffle. Now, blues shuffle is pretty much going from one note to the other as part of, like that, little blues shuffle. So what we're going to do, D chord, C, and just keep your strum, your down up strum. We're going to be introducing our little finger, and we're literally going to be coming off and on and off and on and off and on with our little finger on the 4th fret of the G string. Okay, so it's going to sound like this. So down, up, down. Right, so we've got a down, up, and on the second down, up, so we've got down, up. On the second down, we introduce a little finger. And by the time we're coming with the up, we take it off again. Okay? So we've got one down, up without the little finger. And then as we come down for the second downstroke, here the little finger appears and then disappears again in time for us to do the upstrokes. We've got D, left a good job in the city bit. Working for the man every night and day. Literally the verse. And then when it gets to the... So we've got all of that for the verse. Until we get to the chorus, which is, I think we'll keep on burning. Proud Mary, keep on burning. We're going to go to the A. So what we'll do for the A, I want you to bar strings 4, 3, 2, 1. Bar 1 as well, just because it's easier. But don't actually play the first string, okay? We're going to do the... Okay, so what we're going to do, bar that, and we're going to do the same things we did with the D, where you was going, you know, between the fret, 2nd fret, and the 4th fret of your little finger. But we're going to be going between, on the D string, between the 2nd fret and the 4th fret on the D string, but we're going to be using our 3rd finger for that. So I think we keep on turning, and then we're going to do a B minor. Proud Mary, keep on turning, and then we go back to a D. 4 bars of D, nice and easy, with that blues shuffle. Rolling, rolling, that bit. Got it? So the verse and the chorus is only D, A, and B minor. So, left a good job in the city, that bit. Ba-da-ba, so got that for the blues shuffle. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. All D, all blues shuffle. Chorus, A, B minor, D, rolling, ba-be-dee-ba-dee-ba. So there we have it, Proud Mary by the great Creedence Clearwater Revival. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below, along with any songs you'd like me to take to pieces and show you how to play in a future video. If you've liked today's video, please could you click like and subscribe, as it helps me grow the channel and bring you more guitar-based tutorials. And until we meet again, guys, take very good care of yourselves. I'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.